How's it going, everybody? Student Trader here, and today's we'll look at CEMI, Chembio Diagnostics. Good dividends up $2.12, just shy of 61%. Huge volume today, unlike anything we ever had. The highest before was only 31 million, and today was well over 250 million. So very, very, very good. Just my CTRM movie or video just ended. So after this one, go check that one out if you traded today. Earnings not the best, but still basically where it has been for the last three earnings. You would have liked to see better than 28, saying the company's heading in the right direction, negative 42, negative 28, somewhere maybe around negative 10, but it's negative 35. There's no change in that. We just have to hope for next quarter that it's around, hopefully break even, just better than negative 28. The high up there is at 1589. That's going to be our ultimate price target up there. Today's resistance is looking at 630. We can break down the chart and go to the 5-day 15 minutes here. Looks like there's support at $5 as well. 545 and VWAP right there at 562. Where can this go in the future? Can this go back up to $15? Obviously, yes. Yes, it can. It's just going to depend on if we can get that positive earnings like I was mentioning with a good stair-step pattern up. This candle is not the best. It's basically saying it was up on news, it was a good day, but at the same time, it got pumped up a little bit. That's just what my technical analysis standpoint. You guys may be wanting to, you may click off the video right now just because I said that, but that's what I feel of it with it. If it would have closed above $6, maybe 550 or excuse me, 590 up here, I would have liked it better. But with it closing around the 565, it's not the best. Maybe tomorrow we see a little pullback down at 550s. Again, I'm not saying that CEMI will tank right now. I'm just not saying it. It's just based on the technical analysis standpoint. But, obviously we have huge news. Chembio Diagnostics shares rally after launch of diagnostic tool to differentiate COVID-19 versus the flu. Obviously, this is huge, huge, huge news. If this can be used in all hospitals across the world, the world, U.S. just to even start. If the government gives them money to, okay, we want this in every single testing site. It could be huge, and I feel like it would be really huge. It's just going to need more news catalysts, maybe from, CNN, Fox, and NBC, all the major news sources. Maybe, like I said, like government contract or something could be good, and then it will definitely. Remember, got plan trade. Nothing is guaranteed in the market, but you guys can almost guarantee that this stock will go to 15 on a government contract. Again, trade your plan your own trade. I'm just looking at it, just giving my prediction, just talking to myself. But this could be a really big stock. I feel like I would like to see it a little dip back down to the 550s for a loading zone, and then a big push up throughout the rest of the week here. It is only Monday, and maybe even next week. You're just going to need that news, and I feel like we can get there. The next stop, though, the next levels is going to be around 680, 770, and then 830. And there's a bit of a gap here, a long-term gap way back in, if I'm mistaken, this stock is 2019, so it's fairly new. The company is steadily losing money with earnings here, so this can definitely turn this company around. It looks like we have earnings on 5-3 after market standard time, so with this news, it should be good. And if it's not good, bearish. I'm calling it, guys, bearish. Again, you might have just clicked off the video, but I'm calling bearish. And if it's anywhere near positive, I'm talking negative 10, negative 5, break even. Bullish. Bullish all the way to $15. I don't know the news on it right here, but I'm assuming it's COVID related because it's in the COVID time frame. Obviously, March 30th, and this is when all the COVID stocks were launching, like CODX, NVAX. IBIO, and obviously Moderna, Johnson & Johnson, and all those other companies. But I feel like this will be huge. Definitely keep it on your watch list. Maybe not take a trade on it, but keep it on your watch list. We alerted you in the Patreon way back in the morning, right when it was on the watch list around here, 567. And then if you were watching it on our watch list, you could have potentially picked it up around the $5 mark, and then we alerted you again when it was over VWAP. Yeah, you could have sold at 625. It's all up to you. So in the Patreon, just for you guys don't know, it's I'm not gonna tell you to buy at 5, sell at 6. I'm not gonna do that. That's not what it's looking for. If you're looking for that, go check out somewhere else. I'm just looking, and I'm just here to give you. They're like, oh, you're like, guys, what's stocks? What's stocks moving? I let you know. CEMI is moving. Go check it out. You guys check it out. Take a trade on it if you want to. I'm not gonna walk you through the steps. That's what you're here for. If you have questions around, like where's support at, I would gladly tell you that. But I'm not gonna sit here and tell you to, take a trade on it if you don't want to, or anything like that. But I appreciate all the patrons in the Patreon, and thank you. I'm going to start a YouTube membership program in here, and maybe live streams, but obviously you get to watch those too. So click the link in the description when that's. I'll let you know when that's up. I'll make a video on it. But I'm just rambling on here. CEMI Chembio Diagnostics, very good at this one, up $2.12, just shy of that 60%. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next one. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. All right, and we're so close to 4,000 subscribers. We would love to hit it by beginning of summer around June. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.